let's cut to the chase. We're talking about walnuts, folks. These brain-shaped nuts aren't just good for your noggin. They're like tiny plumbers for your arteries. But before you go nuts, pun intended, and start gorging on them, let's break down the science. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. This superhero nutrient has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, including in those all-important blood vessels. Less inflammation means less plaque buildup, and voila, cleaner arteries. But wait, there's more. Walnuts are also loaded with L-arginine, an amino acid that helps produce nitric oxide. This compound is like a bouncer for your arteries, keeping them relaxed and open for business. Better blood flow? Check. Now let's talk antioxidants. Walnuts are swimming in polyphenols, which fight off those nasty free radicals that can damage your artery walls. It's like having a tiny army of janitors scrubbing away at your blood vessels while you snooze. But hold up, before you start mainlining walnut butter, let's talk portion size. A handful of walnuts, about 1 ounce or 28 grams, before bed is all you need. Any more, and you might be trading heart health for a spare tire around your waist. Remember, these little guys are calorie dense. Now, I know what you're thinking, but walnuts are so boring. Fear not, my flavor-seeking friends. Try mixing them with a small square of dark chocolate, also heart-healthy, by the way, for a dessert that's both delicious and nutritious. Or sprinkle them on top of a small serving of Greek yogurt for a protein-packed snack that'll keep you satisfied till morning. But let's get real for a second. While walnuts are great, they're not a magic bullet. You can't chow down on burgers and fries all day, then expect a handful of walnuts to undo the damage. This snack works best as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. So keep up with the exercise, cut back on the processed junk, and maybe consider putting down that cigarette, eh? Also, a word of caution. If you've got nut allergies, obviously steer clear. And if you're on blood thinners, chat with your doc before going walnut crazy, as they can interact with certain medications. So there you have it, folks. The humble walnut, nature's artery cleaning nightcap. Who knew heart health could be so tasty? If you found this info helpful, go ahead and give that like button a click faster than you can say cardiovascular disease. And hey, subscribe for more health hacks that'll have you living your best life without feeling like you're stuck in a kale prison. Drop a comment and let me know, are you team walnut? Or do you have another heart-healthy snack you swear by? Until next time, keep those arteries clean and those taste buds happy.